Hey guys, and welcome to another video tutorial. Now in this video tutorial we are going to learn how many types of SEO are there. So SEO are of two types. They are white hat SEO and black hat SEO. So let's learn about white hat SEO. It refers to the SEO techniques which are in accordance with the SEO guidelines that are set by the search engines. White hat SEO is one of the most popular SEO techniques and is one which utilizes methods and techniques to improve search engine rankings of a particular website which do not afoul of website engine guidelines or which do not break the search engine guidelines. Some of which white hat SEO makes use of, including high quality content development, link acquisition, campaigns supported by high quality content, website HTML optimization, restructuring, and manual outsearch and research. So when you choose this method of SEO, then you can expect a gradual and yet steady but lasting growth in your rankings. Now it is the same as white hat hacker and black hat hacker. Black hat hackers black hat hackers are the bad ones and white hat hackers are the good ones. Similarly for SEO, white hat SEO is the ethical one and black hat SEO is not permittable. And we are going to teach only white hat SEO. Learn that what is black hat SEO also. So it refers to the SEO techniques which are in accordance with the SEO guidelines set by search engines. Black hat SEO is another type of SEO technique which exploits the various weaknesses in the algorithms or search engines in order to get higher rankings for website. This type of method of SEO is not in accordance with the SEO guidelines set by search engines and especially Google. Black hat SEO, in simple language I can say that this improves ranking by spoiling the laws of Google, or you can say that by breaking all regulations of Google search engines. So it just ranks the website. So the wholesome level is very low because the fact that some of the black hat SEO techniques include keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means putting the keyword more and more times. For example, if I have a website name diamond rings, then I am stuffing the keywords in each and every line. I am just putting diamond rings so that my website will rank higher. That is not possible. Others are link spam, hidden text, hidden link cloaking. So when you choose this method, you can expect unpredictable, quick but short lasting growth in ranking. You may rank in some months. It won't take time in ranking your website, but you may not expect a long lasting growth because Google may block your website, or Google may sometimes delete your website, or it may sometimes penalize your website. So I think that you might have known by now that what is white hat SEO and what is black hat SEO. And in this course we are going to completely tell you about white hat SEO, and so that you don't fall in some trouble. Okay, so meet in the next video where we will discuss about white hat SEO and black hat SEO in detail.